Hello, my name is Nadia Gaxiola, and this is my project for integrated technology. My focus group is first grade, and we will be hitting a few Common Core state standards here. We're mainly focusing on life science. Basically, the objective is for students to have a brief understanding of what habitat is, the environment animals and plants live in, basic needs that they need to survive, such as food, shelter, water, light. So here I've just kind of basically also, my lesson plan should be about 45 minutes long, preferably after lunch, and it will be inside of the classroom. So these are just kind of basic instructions of, how to access the presentation. I've included visual aids on number 3, just because, since we are going to be working with a very young age group, they, visual icons are really important. So moving on to the next slide, the first thing that I included into the slide is a hyperlink over here that they will navigate on their own computers, on their own Chromebooks or other laptops. So this website will just kind of allow the students to navigate a little bit more of the topic that we are going to learn today. And this will allow them to kind of get a brief understanding of, research method skills and just kind of exploring a little bit more of, different habitats. So here on the next few slides, I have included, more drawing rather than writing, just because writing is a little bit challenging for young students, because, we are working on, word acquisitions and stuff like that. So I have provided a lot of, so here I've provided a video, and this video is about 5 minutes long, and it's, just allowing the students to kind of have a better understanding of different habitats around the world. I tried my best not to abuse of, videos and make sure it didn't take such a long time. So these next few slides are going to be draw interactive. So the students are just going to respond to the Pear Deck slides and, just kind of answer the questions of, based on the information they already know or what they don't know, just kind of give me a better understanding. And also this is just, also another drawing interactive slide for the students. So the previous 2 slides should take about maybe 5 minutes. And then the next slide, this is just a picture of a book that we're going to read. This should take about 10 minutes into our lesson plan. From there, we are going to answer a few questions based on, what we just read, and I have provided sentence starters. And then here on this Pear Deck slide, they are going to write. And I provided some adjectives that they can use, but so here on Pear Deck, they will be able to type in their live response. And then here on the next 3 slides, I have included vocabulary words. So what I've done with this kind of section of the presentation is, whatever the answer is to the definition, they kind of all come together as one, like so. So also I've provided pictures for visual aids for the students. And then here I have included another Pear Deck slide where they will type in the numerical responses here of just counting, whatever animals they see here. And based on what the response is, we are also going to graph, which will be another drawing response, for the students. And then just to wrap up the whole lesson, we are going to play a game. So here on quiz, what I've done here is that I wanted to control the, the questions. So here, instead of everybody knocking out all their questions, I kind of control. So if the student, answers, they have to wait until I put the next question. And obviously I will be reading the question just because some words are a little big. So that kind of concludes my whole project and my lesson plan. So thank you for taking the time to to watch this. And